Hi, this is Kashif Rasul with Samson Properties, your local real estate agent in Virginia. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, I will be talking about different ways homeowners can use their home equity. Did you know that even over the past year, as the market cooled, homeowners gained an average of over $30,000 in equity? Here is how that equity can make a big difference in your life. You can use your equity to buy a home that fits your changing needs. Are you short on space? Use your equity to power a move into a larger home. Too much space? Use it to buy a smaller home that better suits your lifestyle. Not ready to move just yet? You can also use it to reinvest in your current house to increase your home's overall value. Partner with a trusted advisor to help you decide which home improvement projects to look for so you can get the greatest return on your investment if you decide to sell down the line. And finally, you can use it to pursue your personal goals like retiring, starting a business, or funding an education. If you are curious about how much equity you have, drop me a line and I can help you plan your next move. This is Kashif with Samson Properties, and I am here to help. Feel free to call or text me today at 703-380-1091 for all your real estate questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.